Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Enlighten Pro. In today's episode, we have a fun and simple story about Anna with her husband Mark and their trip to the farmer's market. Listen carefully, repeat after me, and practice your English in a natural, powerful way. Let's begin. It was Saturday morning, and Anna and her husband, Mark, went to the farmer's market. They loved buying fresh food directly from local farmers. Anna looked around and said, "Wow, it's crowded today. The market is always busy on Saturdays."
Yes, but it's worth it. The vegetables here taste so much better than in the supermarket. Let's walk to our favorite stand at the end of the row.
Oh, look! There's Bill. He's waving at us.
Good morning, Anna. Good morning, Mark. Nice to see you again.
Hi, Bill. What's the freshest thing you have today?
Everything is fresh. It all came this morning from my farm.
Great. Then we'll take 2 pounds of tomatoes, 3 pounds of potatoes, and a bunch of carrots, please.
Sure thing. Anything else?
Do you have figs today?
No, sorry. Figs don't grow around here.
That's okay. Maybe next time. How much do we owe you?
$10, please.
All right, here's the money.
Thank you. Have a wonderful weekend.
Thanks, Bill. See you next Saturday. I can't wait to cook something delicious with these fresh vegetables tonight.
Me too. Fresh food makes everything taste better.
Now let's practice shadowing with some useful sentences from the story. Repeat after me. I will say each sentence twice. Listen carefully to my voice and copy the rhythm at the same speed. The market is always busy on Saturdays. The market is always busy on Saturdays. The vegetables here taste so much better than in the supermarket. The vegetables here taste so much better than in the supermarket. What's the freshest thing you have today? What's the freshest thing you have today? Everything is fresh. It all came this morning from my farm. Everything is fresh. It all came this morning from my farm. We'll take 2 pounds of tomatoes and a bunch of carrots. We'll take 2 pounds of tomatoes and a bunch of carrots. Sure thing. Anything else? Sure thing. Anything else? How much do we owe you? How much do we owe you? I can't wait to cook something delicious with these fresh vegetables tonight. I can't wait to cook something delicious with these fresh vegetables tonight. Fresh food makes everything taste better. Fresh food makes everything taste better. Now,
Let's practice with questions and answers. Listen, pause if needed, and answer aloud. I will say a sentence from the story. Then, I'll ask you many easy questions about it. Your job is to answer quickly, out loud, and with confidence before I give the answer. This method trains your brain to think directly in English and helps you speak faster, easier, and more naturally. Are you ready? Let's begin. It was Saturday morning. Was it Sunday morning? No, it wasn't. Was it Saturday morning? Yes, it was Saturday morning. Anna and her husband, Mark, went to the farmer's market. Who went to the farmer's market? Anna and her husband, Mark. Did Anna go with her friend? No, with her husband. They loved buying fresh food directly from local farmers. Did they love buying old food? No, they didn't. What kind of food did they love buying? Fresh food. From where? From local farmers. Anna said, "Wow, it's crowded today." Did she say it was empty? No, she didn't. What did she say? She said it was crowded. Mark said the vegetables here taste better than in the supermarket. Did he say they taste worse? No, he didn't. Where do the vegetables taste better? At the farmer's market. A friendly farmer named Bill waved at them. Who waved at them? Bill, the farmer. Was Bill friendly? Yes, he was friendly. Anna asked, "What's the freshest thing you have today?" Who asked the question? Anna. What did she ask? She asked about the freshest thing. Mark ordered tomatoes, potatoes, and carrots. Did he order apples? No, he didn't. What did he order? Tomatoes, potatoes, and carrots. Anna asked for figs, but Bill didn't have any. Did Bill have figs? No, he didn't. Who asked for figs? Anna. Bill gave them a bag of vegetables. What did Bill give them? A bag of vegetables. Anna whispered, "I can't wait to cook something delicious tonight." Who whispered? Anna. What did she say? She can't wait to cook something delicious tonight. Mark said, "Fresh food makes everything taste better." What makes everything taste better? Fresh food. Who said that? Mark.
Great job! You did it! Today, you practiced English in a strong and natural way. Now, here's your most important task: repetition. Repetition is the secret to speaking English automatically. You need to listen to this episode, the entire lesson, many times, at least 5. Listen while you walk, while you cook, or even while you ride the bus. This is how you learn deeply. This is how English becomes a part of you. If you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next one.